Hello students, today I will teach you probability part 2 of my video. Okay, today's topic, throwing two different dice simultaneously. Let two different dice, say one red die and one blue die, be thrown simultaneously. When red die shows 1, then blue die could show 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. The same is true for the red die when it shows 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this experiment, total number of possible outcomes is 36. The outcomes 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6 are called doublets. The ordered pairs, these are all called ordered pairs. All these are ordered pairs. Total number of ordered pairs is 36. The ordered pairs 1, 2 and 2, 1 are different. They should not be considered as same ordered pair. Remember this. Now I am giving you an example on this concept. Okay. Two different dice are thrown simultaneously. Find probability of sum of 10. Now, you know probability of an event is favorable outcome by total outcome. This is the formula. So in this case, probability of sum of 10, favorable outcomes are this and this. 5, 5, 4, 6, 6, 4. 5, 5, 10, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. So 3 outcomes are there out of 36 outcomes. Favorable outcome 3 and total number of outcomes 36. So 3 by 36 is equal to 1 by 12 after cancellation. Now second question is probability of sum at least 10. At least 10 means 10, 11, 12. Since the sum, the sum of numbers in an ordered pair, maximum sum of numbers in an ordered pair is 6 plus 6, 12. Maximum sum 12. You are asked to find out probability of sum at least 10. At least 10 means 10, 11 or 12. Remember sum. So there are 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 such ordered pairs. Okay, so 6 by 36 is the probability of sum at least 10. So after cancellation it becomes 1/6. Now the third question is probability of sum of 13. No such ordered pair is there in which the sum of two numbers is 13. So number of favorable outcome is 0. So 0 by 36, that is 0. 0 by any number equal to 0. So 0 is the probability of this. Now number 4, probability of sum less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. Remember, the sum of two numbers in each of the ordered pairs is either 12 or less than 12. So favorable outcomes in this case is 36 and total number of outcome is also 36. So 36 by 36 is equal to 1 because all outcomes are favorable, that is 36. Now number 5, probability of doublets. Doublets means these are called doublets. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Probability of doublets. There are 6 doublets in this experiment. Okay, so 6 by 36 is the probability of doublets. After cancellation it becomes 1/6. Now number 6, probability of sum at most 5. At most 5 means maximum 5 or less than 5. So these are the favorable outcomes which are whose sum is maximum 5 and less than 5. 1 plus 1, 2, less than 5. 1 plus 2, 3, less than 5. Similarly, all these favorable outcomes have the sum at most 5. That is either 5 or less than 5. So how many favorable outcomes are there in this case from this experiment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 by 36 is the probability. So 5 by 18 is the probability. Now number 7, probability of sum of multiples of 5. Maximum sum of two numbers in an ordered pair is 12. Now you are asked to find out probability of sum of multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 within 12 is 5 and 10. So you will have to search for those ordered pairs in which sum of the two numbers is either 5 or 10, multiples of 5. So look, such ordered pairs are this. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 such ordered pairs are there where the sum is multiples of 5. So 7 by 36 is the probability. Now probability of doublets of prime. Prime number, you know, the number which is divisible by 1 and itself is called a prime number. Probability of doublets of prime numbers. Those ordered pairs should be doublets as well as prime numbers. So 2, 2, 3, 3, 5, 5 are the doublets and 2, 3, 5 are the prime numbers. So such ordered pairs are, such number of ordered pairs is 3 by 36. After cancellation it is 1 by 12. Now probability of doublets of odd number. Those ordered pairs should be doublets as well as odd numbers. Look, 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5 are the doublets and 1, 3 and 5 are the odd numbers. So 3 by 3 ordered pairs are there. So favorable outcome 3, 3 by 36, total outcome 36. 3 by 36 is equal to 1 by 12 is the probability. Now number 10, probability of even number on one and multiple of 3 on the other. You will have to search for such ordered pairs in this experiment where one number must be an even number and the other number will be multiples of 3. Look, these ordered pairs have, each of these ordered pairs have either one number an even number and the other number is multiple of 3. So look, I am giving you an example, some examples. 2 even number and 3 multiples of 3. 4 even number and 3 multiples of 3. 4, 6 even number, 4 is an even number and 6 is the multiples of 3. So there are 11 such ordered pairs from this experiment. We have found out that they which are even number on one and multiple of 3 on other. So 11 by 36 is the probability of this. Now the last question is probability of neither 9 nor 11 as the sum. Neither 9 nor 11. Look at this experiment. Look, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, 5 plus 4, 9, 6 plus 3, 9. There are 4 ordered pairs whose sum is 9, each of whose sum is 9, and 5 plus 6, 11 and 6 plus 5 also 11. These two ordered pairs have the, each of these two ordered pairs have the sum, has the sum 11. So you see, in order to find out neither probability of neither 9 nor 11 as the sum, first you find out favorable outcome of 9 and 11. First find out those ordered pairs whose sum is either 9 or 11. So there are 4 such ordered pairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, sum 9, and 5 plus 6, 11, 6 plus 5, 11. So these 2 ordered pairs and these 4 ordered pairs are either 9 or 11. So 4 plus 2, 6 ordered pairs are there which are either 9 or 11. But you are asked to find out probability of neither 9 nor 11. So you have found out either 9 or 11. So such ordered pairs are 6 in number. So total number of ordered pairs is 36. So 36 minus 6 will give you 30. 30 is the favorable outcome. 30 is the favorable outcome in this experiment, which is neither 9 nor 11. So 30 by 36 will give you the probability of this. So 5 by 6 is the probability. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have liked the class. See you in the next video. Bye.